let's start with chapter number 8, Introduction to AI. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. In this chapter, I will tell you about the AI. We will see different AI around us. There are different tools that are used as AI. Then we have robots. Now, let's start with the chapter. The computer of today has been transformed into smart machine, which copies human behavior. What they do, they are transformed into smart machine, and what they do, they copies human behavior. It is becoming smarter with machine intelligence or artificial intelligence. What it is becoming? It is becoming smarter and smarter with the machine intelligence. Artificial intelligence is everywhere around us. It shapes a lot of decisions that we make every. The decision that we take every day, it shapes that decisions. And let us begin an existing journey of AI, that is artificial intelligence. Now, what is artificial? Things made or produced by humans are artificial. The things that are made by human or produced by the human, they are known as artificial. And the things which are not natural or real, artificial seems like natural. They looks like natural, but they are not natural. Like panda, which is natural, and artificial, you have seen the toy. Fish, natural, and as well as artificial. Now look at the picture of some artificial things which are the copy of natural things. What are these? These are the copies of natural things. Then we have intelligence. What is intelligence? The ability to understand and learn from the past experience. It's an ability from which you understand and learn by what? With your past experience. Whatever is your past experience from which the ability you learn, it is called intelligence. The ability helps to deal according to a situation. And your ability, it helps you to deal with the following situation. We are able to learn and understand things quickly, but as soon as we become intelligent, we start thinking and doing them. We learn the things, we understand them slowly, but afterwards, when we get understand and we become intelligent, we start to do the work correctly. Now, let us understand this with the help of an example. I will tell you one example. That is, when we get hungry, we go to the kitchen. And kitchen, it is a place where our mothers do cooking. We tend to touch hot vessel, but we unintentionally we touch it, but what we do? We take our hands from there. When this happened to us, for the first time, the event burning of hand gets stored in our brain. By this event, what comes in your brain? The event of burning that comes in your brain again and again, and you refuse to touch that vessel. This is called experience. When we see hot vessel next time, our intelligence will decide not to touch it, and it is based on our past experience. Whenever the next time this thing will come in front of you, will not touch it. Why? Because you have experience in the past. What happened? The hot vessel, when you touch, what had happened? Your hand was burned. Now, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a way of teaching computers to think, learn, and act. It is a way we teach computer how to think, how to learn, and how to act. It is the ability of a machine to perform functions as humans do, such as learning and solving problems. What if a robot helps in your homework? Would not that be a great? Like the robot is helping you in doing your homework. That is a great thing. It will be good for you. Think of self-driving van which drops to school and come back in the afternoon when the school gets off. Like we have self-drive van. The van is taking to your school and it is taking you from the school and bringing back to the home without any driver, then it is very good free. All this is made possible. How it is made possible? It is due to artificial intelligence technology, that is AI technology. Then what are the features? There are different features of artificial intelligence machine. Before starting this, I will tell you one thing, that metro is the latest mode of transport that runs driverless. There is no driver, it is the driverless. Now, what are the features? AI makes machine intelligence like human being. An AI enabled machine must be able to solve tasks. What it's do? It solves tasks, take decisions, understand human language. What it's do? It's also understand human language. Recognize images and use language for communication. And it also use language for communication. Then we had AI around us. We have different AI around us. Now, it was developed to make our life easier. It helps us to do our daily tasks in an easy manner. Let us have a look at some example of AI around us. What are the examples? First is voice assistant. It is an AI-enabled technology with the help of which you are able to understand human language. It executes command given by us like Microsoft Cortana, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Samsung Bixby. What are these? These all are the example of voice assistant. Then we have navigation. Wherever you go, what you do? You use the navigation, and it is used to tell you about the traffic route, which is the best route where there is no traffic available. Navigation application use AI technology to identify best route according to the traffic route. For example, like Google Map. Like whenever we travel to far off distance, we use Google Map because the Google Map show you the proper and the right place where you want to visit with less traffic. Then we have surveillance, that is AI-based camera image. It is used to develop face recognition tool. It is used for surveillance and security. It is used for surveillance and for the security purpose, like AI CCTV camera. What it is? It is your surveillance which recognize the face of the human being. Then we have robots. They are artificially intelligent machines. Robots, they are artificial intelligence machines which can perform many tasks. The appearance of robot may or may not be like human. The appearance is not like that of human. Robot uses AI technology to vary tasks like human. It can be used to serve food. For serving food in restaurant, now we have robots. Help in conducted surgeries, for doing surgeries, cook food, perform household tasks, and lift and pack object. If you have to pack the object or lift the object from one place to another, you can use robots. Right? These are some AI that we see all around us. In this chapter, I have told you about AI, what is intelligence, and different tools that we see around us of the AI. Like we have voice recognition, okay, surveillance, robot. Now, the chapter was very interesting. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.